of the West African exhibit Frontier Culture Museum. Ndewonu. Ndaba ekele mu no ndewono nano majeno. Do you know that there is an Igbo village in Virginia? So on the 19th of June 1865, onye na-arọ nweze anya na-elele ya. Festival time, the drum is different.
Interpretation is about taking information and making it accessible.
Hello.
So I'm about to try to make an Uli design. Uli is an ancient art form done by the Igbo people in pre-colonial times, mostly by women. Uli. So if you see my face, you will see I have the design.
To help visitors link this farm with why we have the West African farm. So here I talk about the enslaved population, and here's the Scotch bonnet pepper.
The Igbo names of some of the plants that we have here. This is G. G is yam. Ikoro. The philosophy of duality. Mbem. The Igbo indigenous textiles. Music. Okay, we are now playing something very on.
Come back.
Go to the wall, try to use this and get it.
Oh yeah, I mean it's just.
Raja, Raja, Raja,
First time I've ever actually gotten to be in the clay. Oh, there's two.
That's why it is more building. Okay?
Where are you?
So when you do it, you put it by the
Over to me. Over to me. Over to me. And then I'm going to go flat.
Yes, I can do it.
This
Two
is
hands?
well done, guys.
Ready? Two hands?
I speak to you in the language of the gods. Do not be confused in the lingo of my tongue, lest my chant soak your souls in power. For we are the storytellers of creation.
You electrified my soul, but I think you electrified the entire community here. You really struck something within the soul of the people here, and you made an impression on them that will not soon be forgotten. Igbo.
Igbo.
Not bo, bo,
Igbo.
bo.
Igbo.
You do as if you have water in your mouth. Igbo.
Igbo.
Good. So this is my boss.
Igbo.
Good again. Igbo.
Igbo.
Good.
There's confusion with the Igbo, word, because most of the books you're gonna see the IGBO, and they try to mute the G, silence the G, and people say Igbo, but the G is kind of Igbo. A little you hear the G, but most people when they say Igbo, but there's a Igbo culture.
So what's the proper way? Igbo.
Igbo.
So the G will have to sound. You are like
Okay.
shooting, like boom.
Like a bow, sure.
Yeah,
So
like boom.
Igbo.
Yeah. So
I'll
let's go.
work on it.
Igbo. But I'll say it, I'll Americanize it too much.
Let me see. Aja? Building
Aja.
Earth?
Today, to end my internship, I'm going to give like a quick run through. So I have done a lot of educational videos, from the plants to yam to the textile to uli to all that. Thank you for being part of this. I really enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed talking to these wonderful people in Frontier Culture Museum.
On behalf of the Board of Trustees, that we are so blessed and grateful that you found us, and that you made your way to us, and that you became one of our best ambassadors ever for the West African exhibit.
You've done such an amazing job over here for us. And you know, as an ambassador, you know, not just the CISA event. I mean, we've had Juneteenth, and you know, you were invaluable to that, and the research that you've made for us to make sure that we represent better the Igbo community, and particularly with regards to the village, and understanding some things like Uli, is that many different things. So go ahead and open this one.
Thank you.
From Old Team. You gotta open it.
We have some things for you as well. It has been a joy and a pleasure to get to know you. You've been so kind and happy and always uplifting, and we appreciate that. And you've taught me a few things. I never, ever knew that I've never seen anyone that has had so much passion and love for peanut butter crackers. And that they are in fact called biscuits. So we're so thankful that you came and are with us. So here. I see another bag is under the roof.